Hello dear students. So this video is basically regarding the checklist which you need to follow before appearing for your CA exams. Right? As our institute suggests, we need to have minimum 3 revisions before appearing to the actual exam. So basically the first revision is from the module, right from the first page of the module till the last page. Trust me, word to word from the first page till the last, you need to cover and have glance with conceptual clarity of everything. If not, if you haven't covered it till now, don't panic. See, it is practically impossible to cover everything, but our motive is to at least have 100% conceptual clarity, right? See, so first round is basically the entire module coverage. Second round is basically going through past papers, RTP, amendments which form very important part of the RTP, as well as past papers and suggested answers. So by referring this, you get an idea of what are the recent amendments, as well as what is the pattern of the questions asked previously. If you have done with this, congrats, you are done with the second revision. And third and the last most important part is solving papers. Yes, you heard it correct. Referring past papers, solving past papers, and solving minimum 3 mock test papers, be it from institute, any faculty, or if you have any other material for that matter, it's all right. But don't let the exam paper be first paper you're solving. That would be the first and very biggest mistake you'll be doing, trust me. Let that paper be the 5th, 6th, or for that thing, the 10th paper you're solving, right? So paper solving forms very important part of your revision. So like this, if you clear minimum 3 rounds of revision, trust me guys, there's nothing to panic. See, there are many students who are doing first revision right now. Okay, many students who are doing amendments right now. Many students are recollecting what already has been done. So it's all right. May it be any level which you are. Now what has been done is done. Now focus more on revising and making stronger the concept which you have already done. By this, you will be strengthening the concepts and revising what you have already done. And it is actually very difficult to learn something new all of a sudden now at the last moment. But if you do, that's good. If you don't, leave it. Trust me, now is not the time to learn something new or to understand a new concept. But whatever you have done, do that with confidence and maximum revisions possible. And trust me, if you are done with this, no one can stop you from clearing this exam. So my best wishes. Any help required from my side, I'm always there for you. Feel free to contact on my number, and all the very best for your exams. Take care. Bye bye. Keep revising.